singing, maybe some flossing, and playing your part. Come gather around, come nice and close, y'all can't join from afar. Now let's make some noise for the Warner Brothers Winter Spectacular. Come on, say hi to everybody's friends here. That's right. Clap your hands, everybody. Look at there, who's that? It's Daffy, it's Tweety, Sylvester, and Bugs Bunny. Our story begins with our Looney Tunes friends, with stories to share and letters to send. The presents are wrapped, the trees are all dressed, the plaza transformed to its spectacular best. Ask any Looney Tunes, they'll have this to say. There's no place but here for this fun, festive day. Take it away, girl.
Let's take a quick roll call here. Sylvester, that's me, Tweety. Right here. David, is this the Christmas gift exchange? Nope, just making sure that everybody's here. Join us in this Christmas party. It's almost Christmas Eve. Have yourself a Looney Tune mistletoe made sweet. Oh, absolutely never gloomy Christmas with us. All this flowy cheeks for rosy. And the rolling so get cozy. Kissing out, you'll have yourself a have yourself a Looney Tunes Christmas.
Well, the energy was magical, but something was missing.
What could it be?
They were all reminiscing. You know, they thought, and they thought, and they thought, until it clicked. There's no snow to be found, no clouds to predict.
Well, let's have a look around.
Said a bright young elf.
The show must go on, and I'll do it by myself.
Well, all right.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Jingle bells swinging, jingle bells snowing and blowing up bushes of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. Here in the frosty air. What a right time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle hearts, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Make Santa mingle and a jingling beat. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Giddy up, jingle hearts, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Make Santa mingle and a jingling beat. That's the Jingle Bell. That's the Jingle Bell. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
All right. Well, the spirit was back. Cheer was contagious. All was merry. Till something outrageous. Some people are naughty. Some people are nice. Some people behave just as cold as the ice. While our Looney Tunes family was out spreading glee, you know, a certain naughty dove had a certain naughty spree. Daffy went through the gifts, yes, he went through them all. His pile of presents soon became small.
Okay, big Broadway finish here. Your music plays real well. Wait a second. No, no, my turn. I have to look this thing up. Stop! Step aside! More!
Oh no, Daffy Duck. Everyone was in shock. But you know, they didn't get mad. Instead,